I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I like the way that you.
Hello everybody, here's the Lindsay. Welcome back to our channels. Pero the Lindsay is Sunday and we're going to explore again. Dora, the explore. The family Dora.
Up there.
Yeah.
She's leading the way.
There's Dora over there.
She's leading us down this trail.
Yeah.
We don't know where she's taking us. We
So,
trust she knows where to go.
It's Sunday afternoon, so we don't have something to do. So we asked them to do some walking and, you know, explore a little bit and see a lot of trees. It's beautiful trees. Yan guys. So stay with us. There's Clay in there. There we go. They're so excited. Wow! Go! Oh, you wanna hold mommy? Okay, sure. That was pretty. You can see all the leaves is changed now. In a little bit, we're going under the tree. Under the tree, so you guys can see the beautiful leaves.
Mommy, be careful!
Why?
Waters!
Pretty. All the leaves. What's that song we used to sing? Huh? All the leaves. There. That's the leaves. Yep. Beautiful leaves. So, makaano sila, maka takbo-takbo yung bata dito. So, hindi ka matakot talaga. So, ayan. Super ganda na dito. Tayo. Ano daw, warning, do not enter when underwater. So, watch him please. Look at how pretty is this. Watch your brother.
Look at the creek, it's all dry up.
No water.
There's no water today.
Yep. Where do you at? Hey, stay with me. Stay. Look at the leaves. Explore the nature. Kasi pag pag malamig na, di ka na pwedeng nope, go down. Hala kayo dyan. Akyat pa dun sa... Ayan yung tulay, oh. Dumadaan kami dyan. Kailangan mag-explore, guys. Habang pwede pa. Kasi pag na nga, winter na, ay di na pwedeng mag ganito. Kasi tawag dito, malamig. So, ngayon ay explore muna tayo habang maganda yung weather. So, si Clay, ayan si Clay, nandun sa tuktok. Yan, with dad. So, yan. Yan, si Cole. Makain na ng grass. Ang laki na ni Cole, oh. Malapit na maabutan. O, diba? Binata na si Dudong. Mata na si Dodong.
There's Steven's car.
Creek you got.
That's where we came
We're
from.
going to add this down.
We
We're
are
going to
going
add this
to
down.
this park.
Mahaba-haba na rin yung lakad natin.
We're going to add this down. We're going to add this down.
Coming to Trail.
Back to our destination. Look at the beautiful flowers.
There's no good snacks there. Chinese stuff.
Pili ito mga bagay.
What?
Buti na lang hindi uso dito mga buyag-buyag.
What's that, Daddy?
Kasi, ayan.
Who's driving? Here, boy, Dad.
No, they're out. No, they're out.
Daddy.
Kukulit! 2 beses na ako nakakita ng snake. Ayan guys. Hindi ko lang nakunan. Takot ako sa snake talaga. She had a lot of butterflies and bees. Look at that.
Man, I want to get too close.
So this is the butterfly. Look at the butterfly and bees flowers. So ayan. So Cole, get out in that. That's the bees flowers. Look at that. All the bees is in there.
Ooh, look at that one. It's a combination of red, orange, yellow, and a white. Hi, babe. Where's your rock?
Pagod na. Baba na si Dodo.
What did I get myself into? No?
Han! You're not gonna walk? Okay, let's go. Pababa na si Dudong. Hey guys, sa aming pinagmulan kasi pagod na sila. Yan o.
Back to the car.
Pababa na yung isa. Yung dalawang doon nandun. So balik na kami. Medyo mahaba na yung namin, nilakad namin. So ayan. Pagod na si Clay. Video because you're so fast. You move a lot.
Okay. She's already doing it.
She's videoing.
I'm trying to do it and I'm not moving.
Don't do it.
Okay,
You wanna get down?
was that the big rock?
Yeah.
The super big rock? What is that? Look at those trees, they're so pretty. The trees in the distance are so pretty. Is this the car path? Can this fit a car?
Hey Clay, wait! Ang ganda ang ganda talaga. See? Makikita mo talaga yung ganda ng paligid now. Ayan guys, balik na kami sa may namin sa car kasi pagod na yung mga bata. Pagod na yung mga chikiting kaya babalik na kami sa aming sasakyan. Tingnan niyo naman ang ganda ng aking background, di ba? So ayan. Ayan, hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you for watching. See you in our next family vlog. Ayan, kita niyo naman. Super ganda. Bye-bye.